Let me say this plainly. The banking system was not built for today's small business owner. It was built decades ago for a slower economy, a different workforce, and businesses that look nothing like the ones operating today. Yet banks are still using the same rules, the same filters, and the same thinking. If you have ever gone to a bank confident in your business, confident in your work ethic, and still walked out with a denial, you are not alone. Welcome to Cube Capital TV. Today we are talking about why the old banking system is broken, why it has not changed, and how business owners are getting funded anyway through alternative funding. No hype, no fluff, just the truth. Banks operate on rigid systems. They want perfect credit. They want years of history. They want predictable income and zero risk. But modern business does not work that way. Today's business owners are fast, flexible, and adaptive. They scale quickly, pivot often, and build while learning. Banks do not reward that. They punish it. If your business is new, seasonal, growing, or unconventional, the bank does not see potential. It sees risk. That is not personal. That is policy. Banks are designed to avoid loss, not to fuel growth. People ask why banks have not evolved with the times. Here is the truth. Banks are not built to change quickly. Their rules are set by committees, regulators, and institutions that prioritize safety over opportunity. They look backward, not forward. They judge your business based on what already happened, not what is happening right now. If your credit is not clean, the answer is no. If your tax returns do not look perfect, the answer is no. If your business does not fit neatly into a box, the answer is no. That is why strong businesses get denied every day. Most business owners are not reckless. They are hardworking people building something real. But waiting on banks can cost you growth. Opportunities do not wait for approvals. Employees do not wait for paperwork. Equipment does not wait for committees. Cash flow is oxygen. Many good businesses fail not because they are bad businesses, but because they run out of cash while waiting on a system that was never designed for them. Alternative funding exists because the banking system leaves too many businesses behind. Alternative lenders look at real-time performance. They look at revenue. They look at cash flow and consistency. They understand modern business. They understand that growth does not wait for perfect credit. Used correctly, alternative funding is leverage. It helps businesses move when opportunity shows up. Used incorrectly, it creates stress. That is why guidance matters. At Cube Capital Group, we deal in reality. We help business owners understand where they stand, what options actually make sense, and how to move forward without damaging their business. We work with builders, contractors, service businesses, trades, entrepreneurs who get up and do the work. If a bank told you no, that does not mean your business is not fundable. It means you were asking the wrong system. Here's the bottom line. The banking system is broken. It has not changed, and it is not going to change for you, but you do not have to stay stuck in it. If you want to see what funding options your business may qualify for, click the link in the description. If this message hit home, subscribe to Cube Capital TV. Like this video. Share it with another business owner who is still waiting on the bank. At Cube Capital, we respect builders. We will see you in the next video.